Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a triangle. Consider this is A, B, C. The side length of AB is 20 unit and the length of AC is 15 unit. And this is the midpoint of side BC. Consider this point is D. So BD is equal to CD, and this AD is also same as this BD and CD. We have to find the length of this side. Consider this length is x unit, as AD is equal to BD is equal to CD, so all of this length will be x. So this is x, this will be x. As D is the midpoint of BC, so applying Apollonius theorem in this triangle ABC, we can write AB square plus this side square AC square is equal to 2 times this AD square plus this BD square. According to Apollonius theorem, we can write this. Or now substitute this value. AB is equal to 20 unit, so AB square is 20 square plus AC square. AC is 15 unit, so 15 square is equal to 2 times AD square. We have considered as AD as x, so x square plus BD square. This BD, this is also x, so x square. Solving this equation, we will get the value of x, or 20 square is 400 plus 15 square is 225 is equal to this 2 times x square plus x square. This is twice x square, or 400 plus 225, this is 625 is equal to this 2 times 2 is 4 and this x square. Now taking a square root to the both side, we can write square root of this left side. 625 is equal to right side will be a square root of this 4x square, or square root of 625 is 25 is equal to square root of 4 is 2 and square root of this x square. This square and square root will cancel and it will be x. Now divided both side by 2, we will get the value of x. So x, this will be 25 divided by 2. So 25 over this 2, and 25 over 2 is 12.5, and this is the length of x. That means this is 12.5, and this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.